Keto, a safe alternative to fasting. Today, many health fads promise to help you lose weight, but are dangerous for your health and well-being. One fad that has become increasingly popular but can be harmful to your body is extreme fasting. Though some fasting forms are indeed helpful and healthy, extreme fasting can lead to muscle loss, slower metabolism, fainting, and permanent organ damage. These side effects show extreme fasting dangers and should warn anyone from trying extreme fasting for weight loss. This tutorial will tell you about the dangers of extreme fasting and a diet technique to replace it. Let's dig right in. What is fasting? Fasting is when you do not eat or drink for a certain amount of time. You can fast from specific foods, or you can fast against all foods. Short periods of fasting are very helpful for your metabolism and health. Intermittent fasting is when you only eat for 8 hours a day and fast for the other 16 hours. This fasting technique is safe and helpful for dropping weight fast and keeping it off. Extreme fasting. Many people, however, fast for long periods of time. Some even go as far as to fast for days or weeks on end. This fasting practice is known as extreme fasting. This is extremely dangerous for your health and should be avoided at all costs. It causes you to lose muscle weight, which causes a slower metabolism. A slower metabolism is the opposite of what you want when you try to lose weight. It can also cause other effects, such as nausea, dizziness, and more permanent results like organ damage. Extreme fasting doesn't even give you lasting weight loss results either. Most of the initial weight you lose will be water weight and muscle weight. This means you will gain that weight back almost immediately after you start eating again. With this in mind, extreme fasting is an unsafe and ineffective diet option. It can harm your health, and it does not help you keep the weight off. What is keto? Instead of fasting for unhealthy amounts of time, you should try a keto diet. A keto diet is characterized by low carbohydrate intake and high fat intake. Those on a keto diet only consume between 20 to 50 grams of carbohydrates a day. Other than limiting your carbohydrate intake, the keto diet doesn't require anything else from you. You can still eat steak and butter. This allows you to feel full and satisfied, knowing that you still eat until you are content. Although some people don't like cutting out carbs, it will help you drop weight in a fast way. This is because the keto diet kickstarts ketosis, which is a metabolic process where your body runs on fat, not glucose. This allows you to lose weight quickly and healthily. Final thoughts. Instead of opting for a crazy fast that can leave you feeling sick, try a keto diet. The keto diet will help you see results fast while remaining full and satisfied. It also has fewer negative side effects, allowing you to remain healthy and happy throughout your entire weight loss journey.